It's the magic of math here, and today we're talking unit rate. We're going to be given a real-world situation, and we're going to use a bar diagram to find the unit rate of that situation. So here we have a car uses 3/8 of a gallon of gas to drive 2/3 of a mile. We want to know how much gas does the car use per mile. So we're going to find our per mile is our unit rate, right? The second quantity being 1, so 1 mile per mile. We know that we've used 3/8 of a gallon to go 2/3 of a mile. So let's set up our double bar diagram. Our first bar, our top bar, is going to represent the gallons of gas, and our second bar, our second quantity, is going to represent a total of 1 mile because that will give us our unit rate. We know our miles were given in thirds, so 2/3, so we're going to divide this bar into thirds. So we're going to have 1/3, 2/3, 3/3 to make a whole mile. So we know 2/3 of this, but each section represents 1/3 of a mile. We're told 2/3, so we're going to divide the top bar into the same number of sections into thirds. And we know that in these two sections, because that's 2/3 of a mile, we went 3/8 of a gallon was used to go the 2/3 of a mile. So this is 3/8 total, but we want to know how much each of these cells in this top bar represent. So we want to know half of 3/8. So let's do that math. We want to know half of 3/8, so we're going to multiply. 1 times 3 is 3, 2 times 8 is 16, telling us 3/16. So if this whole thing is 3/8, we know that each part of it is going to be 3/16. So 3/16 and 1/3 of a mile, 3/16 and 1/3 of a mile, 3/16 and 1/3 of a mile. So to go the whole mile, we want to add all of these together. 3/16 plus 3/16 is 6/16 plus another 3/16 is going to give me 9/16 of a gallon to go 1 mile. So there is your unit rate using a double bar diagram. 3/8 of a gallon and 2/3 of a mile, and our unit rate is 9/16 of a gallon per mile. Thanks for joining me today at the Magic of Math, where we master math one video at a time.